how to cash out from Western Union online. So here's what we want to do. Load up the Western Union application and log in with your account. So here we will click on menu, and then we want to choose track transfer. So there will be a 10-digit code which the sender should provide you with so you can receive the money. So here we will choose I'm the receiver, and we will type out the code right here. Now once you have received it, you can track the transfer, whether it has completely come to you, or whether you have to wait more. Now if it's already received, we can go back here, we'll choose menu, and then we'll choose pick up cash. So it's going to show us this. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to show you locations where you can receive your cash out on Western Union. So if we click on continue, then like I said here, if we enter the digits, it's going to show us where we can pick up our cash, or if we can pick it up online directly. And like I said, if you put the code here, then you can receive your money or cash out. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.